連環預計派彩啦，1號、3號、4號、10號派688蚊。
帶翻佢末段，真係有驚無險，只難實意啦。麥道朗係撩咗三邊嘅。
4重彩預計派彩啦，1號、4號、3號、10號順序派4433蚊。有位就得啦，最驚係俾人封住咗喺裏面。
尾二入直路，直路初一陣睇直鏡見到啦，佢想走入，咁又龍穿鳳又走入，佢想攞出，有龍穿鳳有外閃，結果再兜出啲，一望空一逼落去呢，嗰種加速力都唔係你哋可以頂得住嘅。
所以你話驕陽明區幾慘係嘛？落又唔得，上又唔得，咁
驗證又未有一級賽嘅成績。咁啊頭先阿 Nick 即係英文台主持都問咗啦，下場係咪里半啊？即係遮打杯。咁啊麥道朗話應該都係嘅，咁但係到時要再睇下點啦。佢都話今場步速唔係好快呢，令到佢沿路嗰個際遇佢唔係好理想。咁但係隻馬犀利啦。
好啦，匆匆趕返嚟，咁啊都贏返場一級賽啦。好啦，第7場啦，復榜完畢，派彩作實啦。位置 Q 1搭4派28個半，1搭3派26蚊，3搭4派110個半。2重彩啦，1號、4號順序派95蚊。4連環1號、3號、4號、10號派688蚊，跟住4重彩1號、4號、3號、10號順序派4433蚊。孖寶派彩啦，頭關11號尾關1號派63蚊，頭關11號尾關4號呢派92個半。
哇！好多人啊！
不嬲
數
每一次都係㗎啦，出咗名㗎。
數唔到有幾多個，
冇數啦，數得嚟杯都捧埋㗎啦。總之大家高興就係啦。
通常應該都係紀錄保持者啊，多人嘅。
過百咁啦，係嘛？
不過依家最多50，草地就應該呢個限制應該睇落去咧，就應該好多啦嚇。頭先歡呼我哋呢度都聽到啊，
排咗3行喎。真要開心啊！
不過睇下麥道朗個樣咧，都可能趕飛機都有啲攰嘅。不過最緊要陣上嘅走位醒神。
佢嗰度夾咗落去都真係危險㗎。
係啊，真係
嗰度唔知係點樣壓咗，係咪安請有少埋咗定點啊？褪咗成個馬位咁，褪出去尾。
標誌銀河都係㗎，一齊咁樣褪落去嘅。
出邊啲馬一路上去啊嘛，一路冚上去。
跟住咧就係啦，阿巴道就醒啦，見你褪佢即刻喺嗰度踩油，封住咗你先。
各位來賓，花旗銀行香港金杯頒獎儀式現在開始。
Ladies and gentlemen, the trophy presentation of the City Hong Kong Gold Cup will now commence.
各位馬迷，本年度香港三冠大賽嘅次關賽事，花旗銀行香港金杯嘅得主已經係順利誕生，係由澳遊氣泡壟斷呢項國際一級賽嘅殊榮嘅，亦都代表澳遊氣泡咧就喺我哋三冠大賽當中咧係連勝兩關嘅，恭喜晒 ！Ladies and gentlemen, let's congratulate Voyage Bubble winning the City Hong Kong Gold Cup, which also means he's won the first two legs of the Triple Crown. Congratulations！ 而家我哋有請香港賽馬會主席利子厚先生就將花旗銀行香港金杯嘅主杯以及小型獎杯咧頒發俾我哋勝出頭馬澳遊氣泡嘅馬主日月輝煌賽馬團體㗎。咁我哋嘅主杯就由大程山接受嘅。好，跟住落嚟到我哋嘅小型獎杯啦，由細程山接受。Our chairman of the Hong Kong Jockey Club, Mr. Michael Lee, has just presented the City Hong Kong Gold Cup and miniature to our winning owner, Sunshine and Moonlight Syndicate of winning horse Voyage Bubble. 繼續我哋有請主席咧，就將小型獎杯頒俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅練馬師姚本輝先生。Our chairman is also now presenting the miniature to our winning trainer, Ricky Yiu. Congratulations! 最後我哋再請主席咧，就將小型獎杯頒俾我哋勝出馬匹嘅騎師麥道朗㗎。And lastly, may chairman also present the miniature to our winning jockey, James McDonald. Huge congratulations and thank you so much, chairman. 跟住落嚟，我哋有請花旗集團日本、北亞及澳洲旗銀行業務主管龍明瑞先生為我哋致送紀念品俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅馬主㗎。Mr. Mark Liwei, head of Japan, Asia North and Australia and Banking City is now presenting the souvenir to our winning owner. And it's received by Mr. Zhang. Thank you so much, Mr. Liwei. Thank you. 而家我哋有請花旗銀行香港有限公司總裁、花旗集團北亞及澳洲地區財富主管江碧彤女士為我哋致送紀念品咧，俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅練馬師㗎。Miss Vicky Kong, Chief Executive Citibank Hong Kong Limited, Head of Wealth, Asia North and Australia City is now presenting the souvenir to our winning trainer. Thank you so much and thank you, Miss Kong. 繼續我哋有請花旗集團香港及澳門區行政總裁及銀行業務主管及代理花旗集團中國區總裁辛寶蓮女士為我哋致送紀念品俾我哋勝出頭馬嘅騎師 Miss Evelyn San, Chief Executive Officer and Banking Head City Hong Kong and Macau, Acting City Country Office and Banking Head China is now presenting the souvenir to our winning jockey. And thank you, Miss San. And our winning jockey, Mr. James McDonald, will now present beautiful bouquets of flowers to Miss Kong and Miss San. 好，我哋嘅勝出騎師麥道朗咧，亦都致送花束俾我哋兩位嘅女士嘅頒獎嘉賓㗎。Thank you and congratulations again. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain where you are for a group photo. 我哋有請台上嘅嘉賓留一留步影張合照㗎。Let's all look to the front at all our media friends here and all our racing fans here today at Sha Tin Racecourse for this momentous group photo on this very special occasion. Thank you， 多謝晒我哋台上咁多位嘅嘉賓，亦都再次恭喜晒澳遊氣泡㗎。Congratulations once again！ 花旗銀行香港金杯嘅頒獎儀式嚟到呢度已經係圓滿結束啦。三冠大賽嘅尾關賽事冠軍旗遮打杯將會喺5月25號喺沙田馬場舉行㗎，大家千祈唔好錯過。Ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the trophy presentation. The final leg of the Triple Crown Series, the Champions and Cheetah Cup, will be held at Sha Tin Racecourse on 25th of May. Don't miss out and see you then.